Hello, Shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce Insane Hebrew. And in this lesson, more letters practice how to read and write. And I will put links in the description box below to my other lessons regarding letters, reading, writing, and also Nikud and some other lessons. All right, so let's start. Dealing this lesson with the letters Dalet, Hey, Vav. Dalet, this is the fourth letter in the alphabet, right? Dalet, Hey, Vav. So you see, this is the Dalet, so Daled and Kamatz. Hey, this is the letter Hey, and Vav, the letter Vav. All right? And now let's see some vocabulary, and that will help you read the letters. I hope so. This is the name David, in Hebrew David. So this is the Daled and Kamatz Da, Vav, Vid, because Chirik, and Daled again. David, David, David. And uncle, in Hebrew, that's Dod. So Dod. You see, it's like here, Daled, Vav, Daled, Daled, Vav, Daled. But the Nikud is different. Here we had Chirik, and here we have Cholam Male. So it's Dod, Dod, Dod. And this letter, Echo, in Hebrew, it's Hed, Hed. So this is Hey, Hey, and this is Dalet. Yes, Dalet, Dalet, Dalet. Head, and this is Tsere. Head, head, head. It's an echo. Head, 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 head. All right, kidding. And this is ho, 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 like in a holiday. Ho, ho, ho. And this is Hey and Vav again. So, and Cholam Male. Ho, ho, ho. But in Hebrew pronunciation, ho, ho, ho. Okay. And this is a word present in grammar. All right? Not in the sense of gift, but the tense. Grammar. Hove'e. So, Hove'e here, Hey, Vav, Hey. Hove'e. 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 And this is hook, the one that you put on the wall. And you put a coat on it, right? So hook is Vav. Vav. Double Vav. See? And Kamatz. Vav. Vav. So how do you feel? You think that you have mastered the Daled Hey Vav? David, David, David. Dod, Dod, Dod. Head, head, head. Ho, ho, ho. Hove'e, Hove'e, Hove'e. Vav, Vav, Vav. And now you can see להתראות בקרוב. Hey, Vav, Vav. And the Alef, Bet, Gimel, we learn this in the last lesson. So again, Bet, Bet, Alef. So, להתראות בקרוב. See you soon. להתראות בסרטון הבא.